Today we're showing you a Kubota BX2370 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a LA243 quick attach front loader. Also has the RCK60 easy over mower deck, which means you can drive over that deck rather than scoot it out the side if you want to dismount the deck. It's a clean little tractor with just under 200 hours on it. 3-cylinder Kubota diesel. It has none of the Tier 4 emissions on it. Has a foldable rollover bar, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, top link, everything's there. Just a slick little tractor. Has a hydrostat transmission, 2 ranges over here to the right, and then your forward reverse pedal and floor. If you take trades, we also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.